What's the best time to take apple cider vinegar? Does it really help with belly fat? And why did our great-grandmother swear by it? From glowing skin to gut magic, apple cider vinegar has become the most whispered remedy in kitchens and apothecaries alike. But what's truth and what's just heart talk? Today, we're unraveling the most asked questions about this ancient elixir. Before we do, let's give a huge shout out to Tennessee, where music isn't just heard, it's felt. We see you. Now, in the belly of the forest folk, ACV was used to spark the digestive fire. When you add a spoonful to water before meals, you are awakening digestive enzymes. Can it enhance digestion? Yes. Acetic acid gently encourages your body to break down food more efficiently. Can it relieve acid reflux? Yes. Like balancing soil pH for a perfect bloom, ACV may help restore harmony to the stomach's acidity. Can it support gut health? Yes. Naturally fermented, ACV carries friendly flora, tiny allies to support your inner garden, the microbiome. Can it improve nutrient absorption? Yes. With a more fertile gut, your body can draw nutrients from food like roots drink from rich soil. Hidden in the hollow of an ancient tree, healers found whispers of how this vinegar might help the body shed what it no longer needed. Can it help aids in weight loss? Yes, acetic acid may quiet the hunger wind and gently stoke the body's fat-burning embers. Can it reduce belly fat? Yes, some studies suggest its alchemy might help trim the midsection, the body's stubborn moss patch. In pools of moonlight, ACV was used by those who sought radiance, not just outside, but from within. Can it improve skin health? Yes, with antimicrobial strength, it soothed blemishes and kept skin as clear as dew on leaves. Does it reduce dandruff? Yes, folk healers would massage diluted ACV into the scalp to banish the flakes. Can it improve hair shine? Yes, as a rinse it restored luster to locks like morning rain washing through pine needles. In the herbalist's ledger, apple cider vinegar was marked as a regulator, steadying the tides within. Can it regulate blood sugar? Yes, especially for those managing type 2 diabetes, it may help increase insulin sensitivity. Can it lower cholesterol? Yes, ACV may help ease the flow of blood by gently lowering cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Carried in satchels by traveling apothecaries, ACV was a protector, fighting invaders invisible to the naked eye. Can it be used as an antimicrobial? Yes, ACV's acetic acid challenges unwanted bacteria like E. coli and Staphylococcus aureus. Can it fight foot fungus? Yes, a foot soak with ACV was a common ritual to banish fungi from the toes. Can it help with candida? Yes, gargles and rinses kept thrush and other yeast imbalances at bay. For the temple within beyond the visible, ACV was believed to restore balance, support energy, and keep the body humming in harmony with nature. Can it reduce inflammation? Yes. With antioxidant content, it may calm the internal fires that age and agitate. Can it balance pH? Yes, though acidic in taste, it may encourage a more alkaline body state, a debated yet mystical concept. Can it boost immunity? Yes, ACV's blend of antimicrobial and antioxidant gifts strengthens the forest's first line of defense, your immune system. Can it relieve sore throat? Yes, gargled with warm water and honey, it became the potion of bards and singers. Can it improve oral health? Yes, ACV combats bacteria that lead to bad breath and mouth woes, nature's herbal mouthwash. Can it boost energy? Yes, some claim it lifts the fog and enlivens the spirit, like morning mist burning off the orchard floor. In the old folkways, timing was sacred. The best time to take apple cider vinegar, they said, was first thing in the morning, when the stomach was empty and the body was open to receiving nature's messages. A teaspoon or two in a glass of warm water, maybe with a touch of raw honey or a pinch of cinnamon, was said to kickstart digestion, stabilize morning blood sugar boost, energy and clarity for the day ahead. Others, especially those walking the path of weight balance, would sip it before meals to help with satiety and nutrient absorption, a humble ritual before the feast. And for those battling the night winds of indigestion, a gentle evening dose, before bedtime, was a soothing close to the day. Even golden elixirs must be respected. The elders would always say, always dilute in water, for the pure form may erode tooth enamel or irritate your inner lining. Use in moderation. Too much of even a sacred tonic can throw the system out of balance. Consult your herbal guide or doctor before adding it to your daily ritual, especially if you walk with chronic conditions. Let us know where you are in the comments for a shout out. If you have any tricks or tips with apple cider vinegar, let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching and stay healthy.